this is Upward.
8 inches near Rockford, 2.27 inches near Bolingbrook, 2.26 inches in Bryan, 2.22 inches in Genoa, and 1.88 inches in
County North. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jasper County, northwest Indiana, southeast Lake County, northwest Indiana, Porter County, northwest Indiana, until 6 o'clock p.m. At 5:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Burns Harbor to Lincoln Hills to Hebron and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Porter and Valparaiso around 5:20 p.m. Chesterton and Boone Grove around 5:25 p.m. Malton around 5:35 p.m. Kelps around 5:40 p.m. Dunsbridge around 5:50 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.